we go. Let's open it. Can you open it with the dinosaur teeth? Oh wow! That is so cool, Manu. Good job. Oh, how many has this one? Get it before she whip it off. There we go. Whew. That was close. All right, we got Manu's lunchbox
Oh, Miss Swan here.
Your son's gonna go to school too? Yeah?
And Buzzy.
Alright, so what do you want to pack here, Manu? What do you want to put here?
Cracker.
Your crackers? Okay, let's go get your crackers.
Bum, 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 bum.
Mine really love those, so what I do, I just put them right there at the side, just like that. Guys, Manu gets so picky when it comes to food. He won't eat anything at all. So we're trying to pack stuff that he really like it's just like a snack. So then when he comes home, I make sure that he eats really good. So Manu, what should we put next year? Some fruits?
I want tofu.
You eat tofu? Well, I don't have tofu right now.
Wait.
Okay, I'll pack some tofu up for you some another time, okay?
Wait.
But I can put some fruits right there.
Yes, fruits.
Okay, let's go get the fruits. What fruit? Do you want apples or do you want green grapes? Grapes. Let's do grapes today, okay? No?
I want delicious animal crackers.
Okay, let's get some grapes tonight. Okay, we have the grapes here.
Ew.
Just set them right there. Manu wanted the red grapes, but we don't have the red ones today. So we have the green one. So that's what Manu's gonna have today. And plus also Manu really loves peanuts. So we pack some little peanuts here for him.
Yes.
You silly you. So we try and pack stuff that he really enjoys and really likes. Manu really likes some of the pita chips. So what we do is to just have them lay next to the grapes.
I don't like green grapes.
Green grapes are good for you, man.
No, it totally has like seeds in there.
No, this one is seedless. Just like that. So we have his crackers here, we have his pita chips here, his fruits here, his pretzels here, and his peanut here.
I want to eat
So
it.
basically, Manu really, you want to eat it now? No, that's for school, Manu.
No, I want one
Okay, here,
piece.
pick one. There you go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just like close that. For tomorrow, we don't want to forget one thing though. We want to have our kids to be hydrated. So we're gonna get some water. Let's get this out.
Wait.
Let's put back this lunch. Everything stays here. Manu, can you grab your backpack? Now we close that. So we have my lunchbox set. And then we're gonna put the water in the fridge. So Manu will be able to pick it up tomorrow morning when it's time for school.
It's bath time.
It's bath time. Yay! You ready to go take a bath? All right.
It's time to brush teeth.
It's time for Manu to brush his teeth. All right, let's get your toothbrush.
Pink.
You wanna use the pink one?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's grab your toothpick. It's called what?
Tuber.
Tuber. Good job. So even though Manu's a big boy, well, I have to brush his teeth as well too. So Manu goes for the first one, and then I go for the second one. Can you do it? Good job.
And now one for you.
Yeah, that's one for me. Don't put it too much. Just do one.
What?
Can you do it?
And
There you go. Not much, Manu. All right, let's brush it. No, Manu, don't do that. You silly goose. Manu's so silly. All right, let's brush it. And Mano really love this book. I don't know what it is about it, but we're gonna
Froggy
read it.
goes to school.
Yes, Froggy goes to school. So today I'm gonna read it to him right before bedtime. And yeah, you ready, Manu?
No, I want to read.
You want to read? But you don't know how to read yet. Let's finish your read and then you can have to read. Okay. Froggy goes to school. He said, "Oops."
Underwear.
It was on his underwear.
Sorry.
Froggy forgot his underwear. Oh,
I have a dream before.
you had a dream? What type of dream did you have before?
I had like when I was at buggy school
Yeah.
and then you were with me
Uh-huh. And then the dinosaur came to you? No?
no
What was that?
and then I just kind of closed my eyes.
Yeah.
I was kind of like doing this.
Oh, you got a little scared.
It told her this come back to the other thing.
Oh my God.
That's why that was my dream.
That was in your dream. Oh.
Yeah. We're just always kind of like eating black cereal.
Yeah.
It's picked up. He just eat a black cereal.
That's flies. Yeah, it's eating flies for his breakfast. Oh my goodness. This is insane. You were just nervous about school, Froggy, said his mother. Everybody's the first time. Not me. Hi, Froggy. And together they flip back
And Mama
all the way to the bus.
And Mama and
Flop,
and
flop, flop.
and why is his dad flopping her 4 legs?
I guess that's how the... Oops. Kindly say to the seat, dear, said Miss Witherspoon, we will soon be the floor at the circle time. At the circle time?
It's just kind of like me.
Yeah, in your school, yeah? You have a circle time in your school?
Yeah.
Cool. Guys, this is such an amazing book. If you guys get to go to the library also, they have a whole huge collection of this book at the library. Just trying to check that out and read it to your little one. They will love it.
What
That's
thing is my Chewy? Where's my
Yeah.
Chewy, Daddy? Where is it?